Get started with the Employee Handbook video template. Personalize this opening slide by adding your company logo and name. Clearly convey the video's purpose, inviting employees to join for a comprehensive exploration of your organizational policies. Shape the diversity and inclusion spotlight to reflect your company's steadfast commitment. Replace generic content with specifics about your initiatives, celebrating differences, and nurturing an inclusive workplace culture. Fine-tune the ethical standards section to align seamlessly with your company's high principles. Incorporate information about integrity, conflict of interest, and fair competition principles. Emphasize your organization's dedication to fostering a culture of integrity and accountability. Tailor the benefits overview with the unique offerings that set your company apart. Highlight health coverage, educational assistance, and other perks that significantly contribute to employees' overall well-being. Inject precision into the timekeeping and payroll procedures. Include information about clock-in or out systems, timesheets, and leave tracking, ensuring clarity on managing work hours. Showcase your company's commitment to a flexible work environment. Provide information on safety protocols and various work arrangements available. Customize with details reflecting your organization's work culture. Reflect your company's safety and security measures. Share specifics about your facility's security, emergency preparedness, workplace safety, and cybersecurity protocols. Highlight your dedication to creating a secure work environment. Include your company's processes for resignation or termination. Clearly communicate expectations and procedures for returning company property. Ensure that the content aligns with your organization's approach to employment separation. Conclude the presentation of your Employee Handbook video template with a meticulously crafted, concise, and uplifting closing message that reinforces the importance of understanding and embracing our organizational policies.